Just want to do a quick vlog. I'm in the middle of building my own PC. I have a lot of stuff coming in already from Amazon and different places and things like that. I've helped friends in the past build their own PCs. This was quite a long time ago, but now I want to set up my own gaming PC, and gonna do it all alone. So see how it goes. But first, I have to turn my jam room. That was looking awesome. I have to turn it from this storage room that it's become. I just got finished cleaning up my living room and getting that all organized and everything. There's a lot of wasted space and things like that, and kind of updated my living room gaming rig, with the whole PS4 Pro. Eventually I want to get the Scorpio when it comes out as well. So I've been doing a lot over there. So now it's time to focus on the PC Master Race gaming rig setup, studio, as well as kind of being my office as well. So but right now it's in shambles. I organizing that, extremely disorganized and cluttered my studio, which I really wasn't using much because I've been going over to my buddy house, my buddy Rob's house, to go over there and jam out and record and things like that. So I have all sorts of stuff that you can kind of see here. I don't know if you could see that, but old DVDs and Blu-rays and stuff like that just really are kind of outdated. Unfortunately, so there's definitely a lot to do. So hopefully the next time you see me, this room will be cleared out, and I'll start designing how everything is going to go. So still going to be a jam room studio like that and everything. So I have to make sure it's good for sound, which helps out with making videos and streaming certain things like that. But that just means I have to be a little bit more thoughtful with where I'm going to be putting things and lighting and certain things like that. I want to show some stuff off in the background. There's a lot of little things. I mean, I have some old South Park stuff and things like that I kind of want to put up and everything and showcase. So it's going to be a lot of work, and like I said, hopefully the next time you see me, this room is clear, and the PC, or the case for my PC will be here, and I'll do a little video on that as well. So see you guys then.
Weary traveler, calloused and sore, time and gravity followed you here. Rest, my brother, and tell